All right, let's talk about NextEra Energy. This is a really fascinating company in the power industry, mainly because it's trying to be two very different things at the same time: a super stable traditional utility and a fast-growing leader in the green energy revolution. So, is it working? Let's break down their outlook through 2026. It's the classic investor dilemma, isn't it? Do you play it safe with slow, steady, predictable returns, or do you swing for the fences and chase that explosive upside? Well, this very question is right at the heart of NextEra's story, because their whole business model basically asks, hey, why not have both? Okay, so let's get into how they actually do it. To really get NextEra, you've got to understand that it's not just one company. It's more like two powerful businesses running under the same roof. And this unique hybrid model, it's pretty much the secret sauce to their success. So check this out. It's like the company has a split personality, but in a good way. On one side, you have Florida Power and Light, or FPL. Think of this as the stable, reliable anchor of the whole operation. It's the biggest regulated utility in the US, powering millions of homes in Florida. That means it brings in incredibly predictable, steady cash flow, day in and day out. But then you have the other side of the coin, NextEra Energy Resources, or NER. This is the growth engine. This is the exciting part. We're talking about the world's largest generator of wind and solar power, plugging directly into this massive global shift to clean energy. And this quote just nails it, doesn't it? It perfectly sums up the big idea here. You get the safety and defense of a traditional utility company, but you also get the huge growth potential of a pure-play renewables company. It's a really, really powerful combination. So, the story sounds great, right? But does this hybrid model actually work when you look at the bottom line? Well, let's look at the numbers. To see where the company's going, first we've got to see how this structure paid off with some seriously strong results back in 2025. The big headline number for 2025 was $3.71 in adjusted earnings per share. Now, that's just a key way to measure how profitable the company is. And here's the kicker. This number didn't just meet expectations. It actually flew past the high end of their own forecast. That's a huge signal that they're executing their plan incredibly well. And this chart just makes it crystal clear. You can see that nice, clean jump from 2024 to 2025. We're talking more than 8% growth in earnings in just 1 year. For a company of this size, that is a really healthy clip. But where exactly did that growth come from? This is where it gets super interesting. So the stable FPL business, the anchor, it did its job, chipping in a solid 21 cents to that growth. But look at the renewable side. Energy Resources. It added a whopping 47 cents, more than double its partner. This right here shows you that the growth engine isn't just sputtering along, it is absolutely firing on all cylinders. Okay, so that was 2025, a great year. But let's be honest, investing is all about what's next. So let's look at the company's forecast and the huge trends that they expect to fuel their growth for years to come. What you're seeing here is a very clear, very confident game plan. For 2026, they're aiming for another year of over 8% earnings growth plus a juicy 10% dividend hike. Looking out to 2027, they're planning for a 9% compound annual growth rate in spending on their utility business. And then it just keeps going. Through 2028 and all the way to 2032, they're projecting steady, reliable growth in both dividends and earnings. The big takeaway here is just how predictable and long-term their vision is. So what's going to power all that growth? Well, one of the biggest new kids on the block is the absolute explosion in artificial intelligence. You see, those AI data centers are incredibly thirsty for power, and NextEra is right there, signing massive deals with tech giants to give them all the clean electricity they need. We're not talking about a small trend here. This is a tidal wave of new demand. Now, for all you investors out there who are focused on income, I want to let you in on a cool little metric. It's called the Chowder number. Sounds kind of funny, right? But it's super simple and powerful. You just take the current dividend yield and add it to the 5-year dividend growth rate. It gives you a fantastic snapshot of a stock's total return potential from its dividends. And NextEra's Chowder number is, wow, it's around 13%, which for a utility is just exceptional. This is the kind of metric that income investors dream about because it shows you're not just getting a decent paycheck now, you're getting a company that has been aggressively growing that paycheck for years. That is a powerful sign of financial strength. Of course, no investment is ever a sure thing, so it's absolutely critical to have a balanced view. Let's take a second to talk about some of the potential speed bumps and challenges that NextEra could run into. So, a few things to keep on your radar. First, government policies on renewables can change, and that could affect things like subsidies. Second, they're heavily based in Florida, which makes them vulnerable to things like hurricanes. Third, like any company that borrows a lot of money for big projects, they're sensitive to interest rate hikes. But, and this is a really key point, the company has a super strong A-rated balance sheet. That's like a big financial cushion that helps them weather these kinds of storms. Okay, so with the business model, the strong performance, and the risks all in mind, what's the final verdict? Let's see how the pros on Wall Street are pricing this company right now. As of early 2026, NextEra is trading at a forward price to earnings ratio of between 21 and 23. Now, that's definitely a premium compared to your average sleepy utility company. But the whole argument here is that NextEra isn't your average utility. Investors are saying that higher price tag is justified because of the superior growth prospects we've been talking about. And this table gives you a good look at where analysts think the stock could be headed. With the price hovering around $88, the average target suggests some decent upside, maybe 5 to 9%. But the really bullish analysts, they see it climbing as high as $111, which would mean there's still a lot of room to run if the company keeps firing on all cylinders. So that brings us right back to our original question. NextEra is making a pretty powerful case for itself, isn't it? You get the stability of a regulated utility, you get the high-speed growth of a renewables giant, and you get a strong growing dividend. It seems like it's perfectly positioned for huge trends like AI and the electrification of everything. Now, the market has already priced in a lot of that good news, but the question for you is, does this unique blend of stability and growth really make it the utility of the future?